everyone. I hope that you all are fine and doing great in this quarantine period. So today I am making this video to deal with the topic that is sentence, and I will tell you that what is sentence and its types. So here I wrote the definition of the sentence, that a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense and present a complete thought. So that here I also wrote the example of this definition, that I will visit the doll museum. So here is a group of words like I will visit the doll museum. So it is in a systematic way and present a complete thought. So it will considered as a sentence. If I wrote like this, so here is also the group of words, but it is not in the systematic way. So it will be not considered as a sentence because it does not convey any meaning. So it will not considered as a sentence. But this sentence, there is a group of words as well as this sentence convey a meaning. So it will be considered as a sentence. Now I will tell you that the types of sentences. Exclamatory. Next one is called interrogative sentence. So there are four types of sentences. First one is declarative, or we call it also assertive. And here is two types of declarative sentence. First is called affirmative, and second one is called negative. And the second type of sentence is called imperative sentence, and the third is exclamatory, and the fourth one is interrogative. Interrogative has also two types. First one is called yes no type, and the last one is called WH type, interrogative sentence. Okay, so I will discuss one by one. So this is the first type of sentence, that is called declarative or assertive type sentences, and this type of sentences can be affirmative as well as can be negative. Here I wrote the definition of declarative sentence, that declarative sentence states something or make a statement. They end with a full stop. Here I gave the examples, like first one is Rohini is the most intelligent girl. So Rohini is the most intelligent girl. This sentence is declarative, but it is affirmative. In declarative, it will be considered as a affirmative sentence. And the second example is Sohana is not a good girl. So here I use the negative word, that is not. So it will considered as a negative sentence. And yes, whenever we use neither, not, never, so these whenever we use these types of words, it will be considered as a negative sentence. But this is declarative because this is declared that Sohana is not a good girl. So now come to the next type of sentence. So the imperative sentence. Second one is imperative sentence, and its definition is imperative sentences are used to give order, instructions, make requests, or offer advice. Here I wrote some examples of like order, instruction, request, and advice. Like first one is get me a glass of water. So here is in this sentence, here is the order. So I wrote in bracket order. And the second example is please give me your book. So in this sentence there is a request. So I wrote request in bracket. And the third one is it is good habit to offer water to any guest. So there is an advice, it is good habit to offer water to your guest. And the last one is never cross the road without looking both the sides. So in this sentence we found that there is an instruction that is given to us never cross the road without looking the both the sides. Okay. Now come to the third type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. So the third one that is exclamatory sentence. These sentences help us to communicate our feeling of surprise, shocking, wonder. So whenever we used to feeling express our these types of feeling, this is come in exclamatory sentences. Like like here I have given an examples. Alas, he is dead. So here is the news of shocking that he is dead. So one more thing which I want to tell you, that in every exclamatory sentences that there is a exclamatory marks. Exclamation marks. Whenever we talk about the feeling of surprise, shocking, so we used to express this by this marks. Okay. So in this sentence, like I wrote here, alas, he is dead. So here is we are expressing our feeling that is of shocking. And the second one is, hooray, we have won the match. And this type of in this sentence we are very I think we can say that we are very wonder or surprised that we have won the match. So we are expressing our feeling of surprising. Wow, you are looking very pretty. This is also a surprise type of sentences that I wrote here. Wow, you are looking very pretty. And the last one is, oh, I dropped my purse somewhere. This is also very shocking that I have dropped my purse somewhere. So in exclamatory sentences we used to express our feelings of shocking, wonder and all whatever I wrote here. And yes, whenever you see this mark, it means this sentence belongs to the exclamatory sentences. Now I am come to the next type of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. Okay. So the last type of sentence is called interrogative sentence. As I told you earlier that in interrogative sentence, these are two types of interrogative sentence. First one is called yes/no type, while the other is called WH type interrogative sentence. So here I wrote the definition of this type of sentence, that these type of sentences ask questions and they end with a question mark. Question mark. I gave some examples here, have you bought the books? So here is a question mark, and this type of sentences is asked. This sentence asks questions, that have you bought the books or not? And the second one is, did she go to the school? So this is also interrogative sentences. And yes, in interrogative sentences, these two types of sentences is called yes/no type. I am telling you why these type of sentences is called yes/no type. Yes/no type. The two basic things are here, that whenever we ask question and its answer is if the answer is in yes or no, so this is called yes/no type. And the second one, second method is to recognize the sentence is yes/no type or WH type. So whenever we use helping verb first, it means in beginning whenever we use helping verb first, it will be considered as a yes/no type interrogative sentences. While in the WH or question word sentences, we used question word first. So in these two sentences we use helping verb first, right? So these two sentences belongs to yes/no type interrogative sentences. In while the other two type of sentences is we use question word first. So these two sentences belong to WH type, or we can say question words interrogative question. WH type interrogative sentences, and this is also WH type interrogative sentences. So there is a simple method to understand why this is called yes no type and why this is called WH type. Whenever we use question word in a starting in a sentence, this is called WH type sentences, and whenever we use helping verb first in a sentence, that is called yes no type. Or if the answer of the question is in yes or no, so that is called yes no type interrogative sentences. I hope that this type that whatever I have discussed here, it is clear to all of you. And yes, if you have any doubt, if you have any query, you can comment and give suggestions on the comment.